Laro ako ulit ng Roblox. Ito, yung laro na to ay 99 Nights in the Forest. So, ito play ko na siya. So, uso-uso nga. Kasi ito, ito, may deal, nakakatakot to. Yung mukha ang laki ng mata, nakakatakot siya. So, ito try ko laruin ito. Ito, matapang ako. Kaya-kaya ko ito laruin. Diba? Nag-aralan ko na yan para paano kaya ilaruin yan. Kailangan natin mag-survive. So, kailangan natin ng kahoy na lagay sa doon sa apoy para may liwanag, para makasurvive tayo. So, titingnan natin sa yung makahanap tayo ng gamit doon. At saka, kailangan natin magpapala ng puno. At saka ipunin yan. At saka maghanap tayo mga irons. Diba? Lalagay natin doon sa may paikot-ikot na paikot-ikot yata ng mga steels para kailangan natin ng iron. So makakagawa tayo ng mga items, 'di ba? Tsaka hanap tayo ng mga pagkain tapos magpatay tayo ng mga wolves at tsaka mga frogs at tsaka mga rabbits para makasurvive tayo, para mabuhay tayo, para magkaroon tayong energy. So ngayon, laruin na natin. Let's go! Guys, wait lang. Tinatawag ako ni Papa kasi kakain mo lang si Kuya Yuan. Okay. Wait lang ha. Babalik ako. Okay. So guys, nandito tayo. Grabe naman nasan tayo? Nandito tayo sa parang pupunta tayo doon sa sa forest. So kailangan natin makasurvive dito sa laro. Okay. Saan kaya ako magpapasa? Hello? Hello guys? Pwede ba ako magpakisali sa inyo? Do you think I could join you? Sino kayo magsasali? Sasali? Ba't dami yung mga kulay green? Ba't ang dami mga kulay green na players dito? Para naman sila mga cucumbers. Mga color green. Isipan ako eh. So, ayan. Yan, ito nasa day 1 tayo. Day 1 tayo. Kailangan natin ba makasurvive sa day 99? So, kailangan ko ng pukpukin ng palakol itong mga puno na to. Tsaka kailangan ko mag-ipon ng mga woods or mga kahoy. Tsaka panin ko muna ito yung rabbit na to. Tinulungan ka di ba? Para patayin yung mga hayop dito para gawin natin pagkain. Wala, kumukunti ng mga apoy. Yung mga carrots. Ipunin natin yan para marami tayo makakain. Kain ko muna itong carrot. Guys, may mga carrot kung gusto nyo kumain. Uy, may bahay. Check ko nga dito sa bahay kung ano kayang nasa laman dito. Knock knock. Anyone home? Everybody here? Okay. Kunin natin to, yung nail. Walang naman. Ano to, may laman oh. Bubuksan. May treasure, bubuksan ko kung may laman. Uy, may axe oh. La, dun! May axe na ako. Kala ko naman kinuha na ito si ano, babae na yan. Oh, ang dami mga karne, kukunin ko na to. Kaso puno-puno na ito, ilalagay lang ng 5 yan sa sack. Dapat, kailangan ko mag-ano eh. Pag may merchant dito, kailangan ng, kailangan natin ba magbigay ng ng balat ng paa ng rabbit para siguro parang bibili natin yan. Kuha tayo ng malaki. Makuha tayo ng malaking sako. Paano ko ba yan kunin? Okay, meron na pala ako. Akala ko na bumalik. No, my dear! Huwag kang lalapit sa amin. Pwede papaliwanag namin kayo. Ha? Huwag kang lalapit sa amin ha. Papaliwanag namin kayo. Ha? Grabe naman nakikita ko, di ba? Puro grabe naman, may mga halimaw pa dito. Huwag kang lalapit sa amin. Grabe, di ba? Dati nilaro ko na to, tapos hindi ko pa nilalaro. Yung nakikita ko, yung may may deer at saka may bird na halimaw doon. Huwag kang lalapit sa amin. Kung hindi, ipa-flashlight ka namin ha. Huwag ka lalapit ha. Kung hindi pa-flashlight kita neto para matakot ka sa liwanag. Uy, may may lumang pan. Ay, puno pala yung yung sako ko. Dahil na pag kumuna ito mga laman na to. Kunin ko muna itong mga nails tsaka ilalagay ko dito. So may mga may sa mga saw blades. Or ano ba yan? Umiikot, hindi ko makuha. Hindi pa tumitigil. Mukha naman trompo na umiikot. Ay, hindi pala ako kumakain ah. Baka malas pa ako ng energy. Yan, nakuha ko na. Ayaw pa tumigil ito oh. Lagay ko nga sa saw blades. Okay. Ito nga. Meron akong bagong axe para malakas to ah. Para malakas to. Ito may may fishing rod. May mga kailangan, so kayo mahuli natin ng mga pag tayo mangingisda ng mga animal waters. To? Para mag-upgrade ito? Gamit to? Need XP? Need more XP. Kukunin ko na to. Tsaka papatayin ko to. Uy, huwag ka tumakbo. Ay, may wolf! Ang lakas naman na ito. Nangangaga, tulong! Ala, tulong! Tulong! Hinahabol ako ng wolf! Ala, ano to? Grabe, nalalag ako. Grabe na, kumukunti na yung buhay ko. Grabe ko kumain ng mga... Ito, kunin ko ito mga karne. Hi, my wolf! Tulong! Kailangan ko pumasok para hindi ako makita ng wolf. At saka magpaakyat ako para hindi na... Ay! Uy, may coins. May radio. Ano to nasa laman? Ano to? Bandage? Yun oh. Grabe. May pang-heal na ako ah. Saka pinahil ko na yung sarili ko. Yan. Ay, puno-puno na. Hi! Guys! Hi! 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 Ah! May alimaw! Ito lang! Hinahabol ako ng deer! Hi! Huwag kang lalawabit sa akin ha! Kung hindi papaliwanag kita, huwag mo ako lapitan. Lumayo ka sa akin, ang pangit mo. Isa ka parang tikbalang. Grabe naman, kakaibang katawan naman tong deer, parang tikbalang. Mukha naman kabayo na may katawan ng tao. Ay, yan na naman yung deer. Bilisan mo naman tumakbo. Meron pala ditong deer ah. Dapat dito muna tayo sa liwanag. O tayo pupunta dun sa malayo kasi baka makabuli tayo ng deer tapos baka mapatay tayo ng deer. Okay lang pag wala dito yung mga deer. Pag wala dito yung deer. So kailangan natin kumuha na. So hanap tayo ng manggamit dito at mahanap tayo ng hanapin natin yung bahay. Ayun oh, may winter oh. Ito may bulaklak. Kukunin ko to. Ay, wala nakagagat. Lah, ano to? Ano? Nalalag ako. Ah! Ay! Ay! Tulong! Ah, nalalag ako. Tulong! Hindi pa rin ako nakakain. Meron bang mga karne dito? Kainin ko yan. Ayan, nagugutom ako. Kailangan ko pala magkuha ng mga madaming pagkain. Lalag, ang galing naman ito magbilis. Ala.
Wait lang.
Ala, hinabol ako ng palaka. Kaso nga lang eh, dapat kailangan ko ng baril para madali ko ng patayin yan. Mahihirapan ka lang pagpapakuloy mo lang yan. Gagamit ako ng stock. Please mga prog, huwag niyo ako papatayin, makawa kayo. Ay, bawal ko pala kay... Nabisa ako. Nakakain. Nabisa ako ng pinsan ko. Huwag daw kakainin ng yung hilaw na karne. So dapat wag tayo magkakain ng hilaw. Huwag natin kainin yan. Hilaw pa yan. Dapat kainin lang natin yung mga luto. Asan kaya yan? Parang yung lalaki nagano. Asan kaya yung merchant? Parang nagtitinda ng mga gamit na bago. May isa pa doon bahay. Ano to? Para may ayun ano to mga walang laman pala ito. Para may tubig na. Huwag ng tubig, hawag gamit ang bakit. Gabi-gabi na. Basta maya muna ako pumunta doon sa sa apoy. Maya muna ako pumunta sa liwanag. Advantage ako. Sorry, nalagad ako. Kailan ko pala pagkain. Hindi pala gagamit yung bandage. Dapat pagkain lang kakainin. Nandito pala yung deer. Tapos kailangan natin gumawa ng item. Ito, inubusan pa ng kahoy, oh. Parang mamamatay na ako sa gutom. Dapat kailangan ko pala ng mga maraming pagkain para mabuhay ako. Madami mga pagkain. Salamat, tinulungan mo ko. Kakainin ko na to. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, ate. Okay, ko ito. Ito, day 5 na, oh. Tara, pukpok. Tara, patayin natin yan. Sasaksakin kita gamit yung palkol. Kukutsi, ipapaganay. Papakulin ko kayo. Meron pala dito na hilaw. Tutuin ko to. Meron pa dito, oh. May mga missing kids na missing kid location. Ito, oh. Dino Kid. Kailangan ba natin hanapin yung mga bata? Kaya nami-missing sila? Okay. May wolf. May wolf. May wolf. Pero tulungan mo naman ako. Kinakagat ako ng wolf. Ano gagawin ko na? Sana hindi ako makita ng wolf. I-reel natin, para hilaan natin itong fishing rod. Puntayin lang natin. Yes. Ang galing ko. Yan, patay. Mukha, okay, talaga. Ano yan? Treasure? Kung makita yung treasure dito, kung nasaan yan eh. Gabi na. A mysterious growth makes its way towards your campfire. Nahina na yung campfire. Kailangan natin kuha ng maraming mga kahoy. Little vlog. Surabot ako. Grabe, natalo ako. Sayang. Ulitin ko nga. Kung kaya ko mag-isa para walang ako kasama. Baka mamaya mahirapan lang ako pag wala akong kasama pag ako mag-isa. Okay. Let's try again. Play again. Round 2. Okay, paano? Okay, it's time to hunt animals. Nalulog ako. Tingin ko na maayos. Kailan ko ng kahon. Put wood on fire until it raises. Okay. We need to put fire. Put wood on fire until it raises. Para mag-raises. Okay. Ang galing mag-ilab oh. Ang galing tumakbo. Gutom na ako, kaya ko na kumain. Hindi ko pa nililuto to. Okay, kain ko na. Okay, pamag-energy. Ano to? All. Kaya ko kumuha ng marami mga woods para ma-survive tayo ah. Para natin liwanag sa map. Pag naubusan tayo ng apoy, posibleng para matatalo tayo at tapos mamapatay tayo ng halimaw. Pero dapat kailangan natin lagyan na ng marami mga kahoy sa campfire para hindi tayo maligaw.
Bakit?
Lah! May halimaw! Umayos kayo sa amin. Huwag kang lalapit sa amin ha. Huwag kang lalapit sa akin. Huwag kayong maglapit sa akin ha. Or huwag kayong maglapit sa akin. Ako na isa lang ako dito. May merchant. Pakilang ko muna pa yung mga rabbit. Tingnan ko naman silang mga paa. Nalalag ako. Kailangan ko pa magpatay ng marami pa. Mahanap ko yung balat ng rabbit.
ginger to showcase the apples.
Paired with the diastaphyl and fluffy exterior, the flavor profile is most remarkable. It was Mr. Alini who sliced this ginger for your dish, correct? Yes. I took some of his shredded ginger, and then I sliced it up even finer for what I... It hit me when I heard he'd be using ginger for his dish. Following up the slightly sweet meat base with a filling like this would accentuate the acid profile. It spreads across the tongue and adds a sensational
Pinobalot. Lagyan natin dito. Kailan ko ng good sack. No? Bago. Lalagyan na ng puno. Lagyan ng marami. Ganyan natin yung kahoy. At saka ito. At saka patay natin ito.
Sure enough, that was a stealth punch of flavor. A finishing blow kept hidden from the opponent right up till the end. I tried Henry Davy's final area, and after reached their peak.
Nahulog. Punta tayo dito sa itaas. Uy, dalawa. Sakto, ano kaya naman kaya kukunin ko. Okay. Uy, may ano, may chest. Uy, may good axe. Okay, meron akong bagong axe. Yes. Napapalitan na yata ng bago. Diba? Pag luma na yung axe mo, at saka nagkaroon ka na itong bago. That is approaching. Mag-a-approaching na. Ay, kailangan mo ng flashlight. Okay naman dito. You know, sheet metal. Okay lang, pero mas wala ko muna flashlight. May ult na naman! Naawal ako! Okay, kain. Kalagyan natin itong mga to. Yan, para mayroon tayong iron, para mayroon tayong magagawang item. Kailangan natin ng 5 woods para magawa tayong bago. Kailangan ko pa ng maraming wood. Yun. Hindi lang nawala yung ano, yung seeds. Saan kaya yun? Yun. Hanap ko na. Bigay ko muna to. Gawa kaya akong map. Drop ko. Anong rinig yan? Parang may palaka. Lah, nabol na naman ako ng wool. No choice. Sige, papatay ka na. Nagpatay. Pinatay ko na. Kaya kung ng pagkain para dumami yung buhay ko. Paray ko na ito. Yeah.
Well, she's ready. You've risen above your loss to Mimasaka at the fall selection and managed to come this far, have you?
Kaya
Splendid.
ko kainin ko.
You are
Dadala ko na lang
chef.
dun sa
However, it
campfire.
would seem that unfortunately your pride will be taking another beating. Takumi Aldini.
Oh, actually makabilis.
And so, here in the
Tapos,
third bout,
balik
it's
mo.
just the first and second cards remaining. Everyone, watch how Chef Asha does it. Just look at his incredibly tender meat. It's almost criminally gooey. Chef roasted to feel the spotlight. There's more to it than meets the eye. The flame has to penetrate to the very center of the cut. It's the most advanced form of flame roasting. That's horseradish. But also, use fresh cream, yogurt, and anchovies.
It would seem he's making a cream sauce to go with the roasted meat he's prepared.
There's no hesitation to his movements. Sure enough, you'll have to be in the tent as first-rate cooking skills.
What the hell are you praising him for? Have you forgotten what that a-hole did to our beloved Chiyose?
Of course not. There's no way I can forget that.
They're all counting on you. Although it's for the revolution, I'll admit I did a terrible thing to your dorm. The fact is, I seem to provoke the ire of others. Including you, I presume. Yes?
Kailangan ko ng
Still,
wood
it
at saka
was
kailangan ko
Misaka
ng
who
freezer.
challenged you to a food
At
war
kailangan ko ng
selection.
carrot farm.
I was
Okay.
overseeing the proceedings, and in good faith
Kailangan
at
natin
that.
ng 10
I
woods.
would say it's a mistake for you to stretch your spite at me. Spite, huh? A single word could not express the depth of my emotions.
Paggabi na.
Suffice it to say, I hold no feelings of spite
Kailangan
for
ko
you.
pa kumawa ng kahoy.
That's all there is. Aizawa has become quite skilled at rattling his adversary. Takumi makes a show of indifference. Counter to his words, he seems more unsure than before.
Okay yung pressure lang yung nasa ibang buildings lang. Kaya
Your pizza looks quite refined, Aldini. Making any flavor adjustments once it's been made would prove to be difficult. What exactly are you saying? That you're done for, you fool. There is one more ingredient that will go into my cream sauce before I'm finished. Artichokes. This unassuming vegetable is known to have an abundance of the bitter compound called cinnamon. Its main characteristic is that it inhibits the taste receptors on the tongue and tricks the person who is eating so much so that
my dear.
afterward
La.
is perceived as much sweeter than intended.
Takot ka pala sa liwanag. Masakit ba sa mata mo? Ha? Masakit ba? Ha? Ha?
Shirini dish is one of intensely rich sweetness.
Ayun, nawala na siya.
When you eat artichoke prior,
Umalis na.
what do you think
Nakatago
will
pa
happen
sa
to
iba.
the sweetness that you so counted on? You have about 10 minutes before your pizza is done.
Baka yung deer tumatago lang sa kuweba para hindi siya
Consideration that you will be judged next. Your dish
para hindi siya
sweet,
mamatay sa sunlight.
considerably less savory than you thought. What? Hey, that's one dirty trick to pull at the last minute, Bubba. Don't you have any damn pride?
But why would we? He merely learned his opponent's intent and devised a way to counter it within the prescribed time limit. He has done nothing wrong. No way!
Now then, if you will allow me to complete my dish, an insane amount of cut up artichoke. Takumi Aldini, you are indeed naive, boy. This time and the time before. And when your Saluna was taken from you as well, if it were that man standing over there instead. If it were Soma Yukihira rather than just you, I'm sure he'd find a way.
Ah!
Here's my completed dish. Roast beef enchantment. The Etsugai special edition.
Tulong!
He just finished his dish. Oh, this is serving me juices. He paired it with a runny poached egg.
Help! Help!
So does that mean Takami's pizza would have been all for nothing? Because of that cinnamon crap?
So very beautiful. Such vibrancy. It delights the tongue in anticipation of the flavors to come. Deliciousness will go down in history.
Wow, I've never had a dish infused with so much blazed artichoke.
Yes, and yes, it
I don't need this.
Wanna try some?
Makakaya ko ng kahoy kasi baka mahina lang kaya yan.
Would the two of you like to try it?
Can I?
Gagana pa rin yan. May bahay oh.
Sensation is the perfect cover for the richness of the roast beef.
Juice is packed with incredible punch. With the vegetables, unique bitterness and depth of flavor right up front. This too is the Cinnamon sneaky handiwork. By eliminating unnecessary sweetness, the cream sauce's flavor becomes more refined.
Cinnamon can have a direct effect on the taste receptors.
Yes, its components blanket the areas of the tongue that experience sweetness. This is
Yan,
what the judges are
fire
currently experiencing.
paste 100 dama half or has grown bigger.
Something else, and the chewing will slowly clear away the cinnamon. Your taste receptors will go back to functioning
Kailan ko pa mag-ipon?
before you encounter such an effect. Now, with the sweet receptors having been dulled thus far, even something slightly sweet will certainly stand out. Makes sense, I guess. They say with enough cinnamon remaining on the tongue, even simple water can seem dangerously sweet in comparison.
So you're saying the sweetness of Takami's shijarini is going to get ramped up as well? And by the time the
Kailan ko
judge is
tumago?
finished eating his pizza, the cinnamon will have totally worn off, and it won't have any effect on the dishes to be judged later. Chef Aizan knew what would happen, and he used that to his advantage.
His knowledge actually runs that deep.
True enough, he's amassed a wealth of culinary knowledge.
My dear,
So it's dictates the alchemist.
baka kailangan natin tumago para hindi tayo makita. May bandage tayo.
Conversion in my mouth. It's wonderful flavor. This deliciousness is like stage magic.
Ano to? Radio. Wala din yan.
Well, Aldini, that's quite the long face. I know. Why don't the judges drink some water before they eat? It might actually help mix up the cinnamon a little bit. No, I'm fine with it as is. Well,
Parang
it's a good
nahabol
thing,
ako.
excepting once they don't have to, because I
Parang
will
wala
win.
naman. Punta muna ako dun. Baka mamaya pupunta yung deer dito. Wala. Yeah.
The shijarini, the main topic.
Wala.
The all-important shijarini is only on half of it.
The other half is cheese only? That's way too simple.
Oh no, what are Takami's chances of winning?
Yan, patay na.
Bon appetit. So I see. Philippines
Wala na,
toppings are
malikain.
decorated, much like a Japanese delivery pizza. Is it acceptable to eat this by hand?
Parang mabuhay lang ako.
It's common to use a 1914 pizza. Please feel free to eat it however you wish.
At sasanagin ko na dito.
Pizza won't affect how delicious it is. However, there is one thing. I would ask you all to heed
Ah,
the words of your chef.
Naubusan na ng...
And that would be for you to begin eating the shijarini side of the right.
Just a minute. The cinnamon would make all the sweetness count against it. What are you even thinking, Takami?
Ano ko muna kumuha ng marami. Kahoy. Huwag gamitin ko nga ito.
Or yet would have been normally if it weren't for the cinnamon.
Given the nature of this contest, it can't be helped.
Kuha kaya ako maraming kahoy. Ito kaya? Ano din? Paano na? Kuha kaya ako nito.
Unrivaled.
I used a yuzu and miso sauce on the pizza dough. It was a combination I'd already decided upon. As intended, I took the miso, sugar, and mirin,
Nakalag ko rin
peeled
sa
back
sak.
as much as possible to count the chemical load of the cinnamon. And instead, I used yuzu juice to build up the acidity level. And I even added some grated rind to it. That added bitterness and sourness. I'd assumed that Chef Aizan's
May wool
roasted
pa.
beef dish would be eaten first. So I had to
Bakit kailangan ko ng baril para mabili lang ako maglalaban? Yan kaya mas madali para mapatay ang mga kalaban. Yan ito mga flowers.
Mr. Aldini's approach is to make his rivals feel the appetizer, and his own dish the actual main star of the show. Mr. Aizan
Ito may ano,
offers
may
that
bathroom oh.
more than opening
Tingnan
a
natin dun sa main bathroom. Ito may coins. Walang laman. How about sa main bathroom? May treasure. May bulok na electric pan. Okay, kunin natin yan. Nalagay ko pala sa stock. nagkakarne pala. Malalagay ko pala doon sa sakyo yung mga gamit. Oh my gosh, steak ah.
But the miraculin glycoprotein it contains lasts about 2 hours, give or take. This would affect subsequent judgings for the rest of the day. Knowing all that, it only left artichokes as an option. I've been watching you this whole time, so I followed your
Doon
twisted
pala
line
sa
of
tree.
thinking. That
Para
led me
mga
to the only remaining option I
para gamitin ko yung good sack.
just as I planned all along. Can't be. That means he wasn't just glaring
Yes.
at me out of plain resentment.
Ay, paano to eh?
The third bout
Ay, gabi na. Puta,
He's been
balik
watching
na
me
ako
this
dun.
whole time. He's had me pegged from the start. Yes, that's right. You're still the same. In your past 21 food wars, you've used your opponent's strengths against them 12 times. I was sure you'd use the same approach this time as well. Go on. Keep going with your same sad approach, not knowing that I've seen right through you. Yes, be the jerk you are. I'm sensing some real feelings of resentment
At kailangan ko ito na ito. Wala tapos gas steaks. Para magkaapoy lang.
I can say the same thing about you too. It's kind of like something in the psychology.
We need to keeping alive the fire.
Could be used against themselves.
Their mutual enmity to outsmart each other. A battle of lesser domain. Deliciousness of this pizza is truly an inescapable illusion. Creepy as I praised you. And yet, the menu I have prepared for you is not yet finished. Italian cuisine generally doesn't have a third course when dining at a restaurant. But I wanted to break new
Ako lang
ground
ko
in
nang
today's
lagyan
bout.
ng wool.
So the other
Hindi
half
na.
of this pizza does just that. The cuisine I've chosen. Queso gatto. A third plate.
Kailangan ko kumuha ng maraming pagkain.
The pizza he made looks just like two half-moons. A mezzaluna. My dish is actually called a double half-moon pizza. Now you will experience true flavor.
Saksak! Saksak natin! Ah.
The other half is just cheese. He's betting victory on that.
Ano bro, ginabol ako, takbo tayo.
The difference between this and the sweetness of the Shijurini blends into such an amazing depth of flavor. From the bitterness of the artichokes to the sweetness of the Shijurini and the saltiness of the quattro formaggi. It invites the diner to the lower reaches of heaven in a triple solo.
That's how confident I was. That from my experience of making more pizzas than I can count, I knew I could make the ultimate quattro formaggi, one that was a perfect match for the Shijurini. But that's not all. If not for the Stagiaire, the Shijurini pizza would not have been possible. And if not for my battle with Mimasaka, it wouldn't have occurred to me to follow my opponent's way of thinking. All the losses, all the trials I've endured up until now, the taste of those experiences are what let me make this dish. And it's thanks to you for having pitted me against Misaka. It's what kept me moving forward, up to this very point.
Ito may bala oh. Revolver ammo. Bakit kailangan natin ng baril? Para ito lang. Okay. Dapat may baril tayo para malaban tayo. Ito, ang daming woods ah.
In the second card of the third round, the winner is from the rebel side, Takumi Aldini.
Pag may baril na ako, gagamitin ko na tapos ipapareload ko yung ammo. Umuulan. Baka tumigil pa yung ano, apoy.
Yuan!
Ano?
Wala lang.
Hindi lang. Naglalaro po lang ako po.
Hindi lang. Hindi lang. Hindi lang.
Hindi lang.
Second card of the third
Naglalaro
round,
lang
the
po
winner is
ako ng Roblox.
from the rebel side, Takumi Aldini.
So guys, ako dito si Skoye eh. Akin lang ko nakainin. I need to give.
Not
Need,
one twist.
I need some more woods.
Into the richness of the butter.
He love and no.
Absolutes his
Lagay ko muna dito.
Blade for the entirety of his soul.
I need to get carrots.
Yeah, great.
They're potatoes. That would be way too simple. I'm sure that Soma will think of something special. I mean, after all, butter.
Anong rhythm na yun? Parang may batang umiiyak. Kaso ang nila hindi ko makita. Baka maya na lang. Kaya umaga na makikita ko yung bata na may umiiyak doon.
Right there. What actually makes a butter dish? You can use it as the main ingredient. Maybe butter sauteed whitefish or some
May narinig akong batang umiiyak doon ah. Siya ba yun? Si, ano? Si Dino Kid? Yung umiiyak? Na bata? Check. Check mo kung nasaan. Radio. Kailangan natin tulungan yung mga ano? Message children. Okay.
In some cuisines, such as French,
Kailangan natin pala tulungan sila.
don't use butter. Not just France, but northern countries as well. There are any number of ways it could be utilized.
That's right. I'm anxious to see what sort of approach that Saito will take in this.
Aming kahoy ah.
Riches.
Kunin ko na to.
Today's
La!
musical
May wolf!
riches.
Hi!
I see what Saito's goal is. Now we're even more curious about the final product. Meanwhile, what kind of dishes will you hear about over there? What's
May
this?
bahay doon. May bahay.
Mochi.
Yeah, pre-cut mochi. I sure was surprised to see this among the
Wala.
ingredients in the
Wala, may
warehouse.
rifle
I've got
ammo ah.
soy
Wala pa akong
boiling
rifle.
on the stove,
Ito, may
which
baril
I'll
na.
put some thin
Ayos,
sliced
meron
mochi
na akong baril.
and stir it till it's
Tanda na kayo.
and add some salt and pepper. And my kinda sorta white sauce is complete. It's a nice technique we use at home when we had leftovers. This sounds like an interesting concept.
Tanda na kayo mga wolf. Babarilin ko na kayo.
Flour, then adding milk while continuing to heat
Hmm.
and stir. That method more fully essential to butter.
Patay.
Why is he using mochi then?
The answer to that will become clear during tasting. And I
Okay,
can't
lang
wait to
palagay
get
sa sak.
started. Simultaneously drop the same ingredient butter into their frying pan.
The smell of that butter is gonna melt your brain matter, bro.
The butter's so yummy!
I-reload ko.
Somi Yukihira is now pan frying chicken with onions, shrimp, as well as uncooked rice.
Meanwhile, Some say has let the garlic aromas fully develop. We're adding soy sauce to it and some delicious squid liver. He's taking that exquisite final flavor aroma and elevating it even higher through the rich flavor of butter.
This is when the cooking really begins. We can't even afford to blink. This duel is underway.
All that he's using, he must be severing something. This is more than I can sense it. This man has not yet drawn his true blade.
Ay, gamit ko ito pala ko.
But the young chef caught me by surprise. Before I strike you down first. What are you doing in here?
Well, I thought I'd get myself some
Siguro
coffee in the
nalagay
kitchen.
nalagay ko
What
dito.
are you doing?
Well, isn't it obvious, Nene? Naturally, I cannot resist the pleasure of a morning bath and massage.
Drug ko.
So, where are Chef Skasa and Chef Nina?
Gabi na.
They're both resting in their rooms.
Still in hibernation, huh?
Buwan natin lagay.
Are you
Kaya
not
na basa na.
today?
I've
Ano
already
mo
done
nalagay?
everything
Lalagay
I
mo muna
possibly
dito.
can.
Okay.
What about you? What are
Dapat
you
dry
still
yan.
doing
Wood
in
lang.
town? Hard to show your face in public after losing, is that it?
Okay. Tapos ganyan yung ano. Nalagay. Yung item nalagay ko sa sack.
Challenge only to be defeated? Well,
may kahoy ah. Okay,
I actually thought he was just
talagay ko na yung mga kahoy dito sa ano,
first met him.
sa campfire.
That first day he transferred in at the opening ceremony. I was there
You are
helping
hungry?
out. I saw the whole thing.
So, my name's
Ah, gutom pala ako.
And,
Sige,
well, to be honest, it's an honor to
wala kayo
attend this
maraming pagkain.
As a
Ah,
stepping
mamamatay na
stone
ako
in
sa
my
gutom
career.
ah.
Now, sure, my transfer was kind of unexpected, but I still don't plan on losing to a bunch of wannabes who never stood in front of a customer before. I mean, come on, am I right? Anyway, since I'm here and everything, I might as well take the top
Kaya tayo
spot.
maraming pagkain.
It sounds like Silva, all right. He might actually take that top spot at the regimental food bar.
It's never gonna happen. Even you are aware of that. You know how strong Chef Saito is.
The time has come. Yet interestingly, you choose not to draw first. So in that case, I shall strike. Well, do you think you will be able to meet the sharpened blade I have achieved before you?
Kailangan ng wood pellet. Balat ng
Like a strong blast of
wood.
pan-fried squid liver has an exquisite fragrance, garlic and soy sauce.
With some burst in your mouth soy marinated salmon roe added to it.
That's an unbeatable lineup of first-rate ingredients.
Chef Soy Saito has served up a lavish buttercooked seafood masterpiece. Hey, Yuki,
Ano ba ilagay ng... Ah, kailangan natin ng ano, na powder para mag-grow.
The second you cut it, it releases more steam. My body is aflame with anticipation. Whoa, the wave is coming.
Right in the top of white calf butter comes this marvel of seafood. It's an onslaught upon the tongue. I can't stop myself from eating. The slow-fried salmon, the flour with a hint of sugar, reacts on a chemical level with the butter, producing an exquisite richness to create the ultimate meuniere.
It's as if the saltiness and delightful bitterness of the squid liver have completely incorporated the flavor of the butter. Not being too cloyingly rich lies in that special vinegar rice of his. The original vinegar made using both orange and lemon juice.
You put oranges and lemons in it? So that's what all those oranges and lemons were for. Pairing the fattiness of the seafood with that of the greasy butter, it naturally becomes too rich for one to consume. Which is why to avoid that and create a more pleasing flavor to enjoy, he instead went with using the sharp tang of oranges.
French cuisines, among some others, have sauces that traditionally pair butter with oranges. But to think of showcasing the butter by pairing it with vinegared rice!
It's what led him to this, a dish showcasing the buttery aroma. You're not lying. That bastard hit it out of the ballpark. It's like a duel between two fighting warriors, and in this case, he's drawn his blade and poured the entirety of his soul into it.
Amazing! He's managed to nail it in one damn bowl. I thought maybe Soma would have at least a slight advantage with this. I would have never imagined you could feature butter in a seafood bowl.
Although it has no business being used in sushi like this. My primary duty is to the sushi, which is precisely why I was able to utilize butter. People may think the quality of sushi rests solely in the cut of the fish, but that is not all that makes sushi so special. The main ingredients are supported by shadow players. Salt and vinegar are added for an exquisite balance, bringing forth the true flavor of the fish. And it is true of all dishes. It is the supporting ingredients that allow the blade, that is the fish, to shine in the capacity that expect. Put simply, all secondary ingredients are within my realm of expertise. All are in striking. And he's not just talking a big game either. It doesn't matter how delicious a fish you have. The ingredients
Okay,
you
it's time
pair
to
it with
run
can sink the whole dish
before
if you
it's
don't
too
know what
late.
you're doing. Such an attachment towards fish.
Na, inabol na yata ako ng animaw.
Chef Saito's place was small, but beloved by regular customers.
Na,
Some of whom visited daily.
Hey, Mom!
paril natin.
I finished
Mm.
deliveries. Thanks for doing
Ah,
that.
may kalaban.
Helping you deliver.
Ay,
Carter, please.
Coming up.
He had much love and respect for his mother. She worked the counter all alone, raising her son and even managing to get him into Totsuki Academy.
sige, barilin
I
ko.
want to hurry up and be a first-rate sushi chef.
Tayo lalapit ha.
Then we can run the shop together.
Kalaban.
Sobe, listen
Sige.
up.
Fuego! Fuego!
It's an understudy.
Fuego! Fuego!
That's an old famous
Fuego!
show. That's awesome, Mom.
Fuego!
I'll have to close this place up for a little while, though. But at the end of it, I'll be able to make sushi that's even more delicious than before.
However, what awaited his mother was a traditional setting, one of nothing but hardship, prejudice. A place with the old
Parin
way
yun
of
to.
thinking that a woman didn't belong behind the counter.
Matay ka na!
Not only was she not allowed
Yan.
to handle the fish, she couldn't even touch the rice. So she spent her days doing menial
Ay,
tasks.
La! Ay, Wolf! Wala na akong bala.
My son.
La, may...
Please endure. Please. By my sword, this one shall make his name in the world and provide for my household.
Tago lang tayo. Yan, hindi na
I
pa.
will save our shop. Now take a look at this. That little punk ass really is working behind the counter. Well,
Ano
if
natin
it's
to?
Shigeromi Sushi. You've got a lot of talk, but that's about it. Like
La!
your punk ass could make worthy sushi. Okay then. Would you care to try some?
Alam mo, wala na yan.
If you try to go up against us, I swear to you, you'll never make it in the industry. Prevailing in times of
Paano ko
strife is the
mapapatayin siya?
empire. Nothing is greater than defeating you. That's how Chef Saito
Ay, bahala na nga.
set out on his own.
Yeah!
And using that single blade called fish. Has
Yan.
made his way this far.
Buti ka sa'yo.
Sure enough, this butter seafood mold perfectly encapsulates his cooking style.
The seafood is the blade, while the butter is the sheath that guides it forward. It's like the art of sword drawing made into a dish. When faced with such an attack, all of the
Baka ano po na naman yan po. Bakit po pa? Wait lang guys. Yun guys, okay. Pinatay ko mukha, no, coins.
Maghapon. Maghapon.
Pwede na nabuhay ako. Kapag pinalabanan ko pa.
I used that public lint to form the tofu skin, but he stuck them with a pilaf instead of the typical vinaigrette rice. It's so savory, I feel like it melts.
Normally, it's the contrast between the sweet fried outer layer and the vinegar rice that makes the nari sushi. The butter pilaf would be too overpowering.
Simply emphasizing that the ingredient is insufficient. How then has he chosen to answer this? We shall see.
My taste of butter-infused tofu skin floods my mouth like a Korean mater. The butter is seeping into my
Lakat. Sige, wala natin yan. Ano natin, ang big for... Ay! Hala, my dear! Huwag kang lalapit sa akin. Easy, easy. Don't come any closer. Get lost!
Doing it like that also emphasizes the saltiness as well.
Patay natin to. Ayaw. Parang patay na. Teka, naipit ba? Ayaw ba makamatay? Patay ko muna itong palaka.
Salt leads to the richness of the butter, and other ingredients become even richer with it. You can tell the great amount of skill that lies within these tiny, scrumptious inari sushi.
The magical mochi white sauce he brilliantly added cuts the oiliness and emphasizes each ingredient so very, very much. It's a swift slash, a counterattack to Somi Saito's heavy-handed sword. Like endless blades striking.
Nag-survive na ako sa... Okay, day 10. Survive ako.
But I can't contain
Kailang ba din i-collect natin yung ano? Mag-survive lang ba tayo sa 99? Sa 99 days, mag-survive tayo. Tapos Yung bala ko yung revolver ah. Dapat kailangan ko maghanap ng bala.
Because I knew I was in trouble going up against you. This connection bad. I knew I'd never be able to beat you in the end in just one blade. A lock run?
What exactly do you mean, Sokka?
As you all know, I have performed my perfect trace on all the members of the team. So how
Ang
bad
kaya
would
merchant.
as if I were the person you will face tomorrow in a bar?
Hindi ko makita.
You be able to handle that many? Wouldn't that take a toll? Battling as three different people?
I've already lost my
Kailangan ko ay kumuha na maraming kahoy.
Please use what you clutch at.
Well, you put it like that, I guess I'll take you up on it. Let's get the training!
So long as you've got cash, anything goes. Bars? I've never heard of such a thing. How do they taste, Aldini?
I understand now. That's how the flavors of gingerbread not out. He used Magami Tadamura's apple. Its sweet, invigorating flavor toned down the other
Four percent na ako. Okay. Kukontinue ako. Okay. So, okay. Magpapacharge lang muna ako. Okay. So, huwag kayo makalimutan mag-like at mag-subscribe para ma-reach ko yung 100 subscribers. Tsaka may re-reach ko lahat ng mga maraming subscribers talaga. Okay talaga. Okay. May ibang subscribers i-reach ko. Makakaroon ako mga award. Okay. Bye-bye guys. I will continue on part 2. Okay, bye-bye. Subscribe for part 2.